called Alice. I'm a Chinese girl. I live in England now. And I'm going to show you how to speak Chinese. Let's continue learning fruits. And I am going to show you 5 words. Grape. In Chinese, we say it 葡萄.
葡萄 This kind of grape is purple. 这种葡萄是紫色的。
Lichee. In Chinese, we say it 荔枝.
荔枝 I want some lichees. 我要一些荔枝。
Plum. In Chinese, we say it 李子.
Have you ever eaten plums? 你吃过李子吗？
Pomelo. We say in Chinese 柚子.
My mother likes to eat pomelos. 我的妈妈喜欢吃柚子。
Loquat. In Chinese, we say it in 枇杷.
I've never eaten loquats. 我从没吃过枇杷。
That's all for today. Bye!